Good afternoon everyone! Welcome to my channel, Nolia Chrissy. Today, I'm going to make a Chiang Mai noodles. Ito na yung mga ingredients ko. I have our chicken fillet is blanched that already. I have my red curry paste. I uploaded this how to make a red curry paste long time ago, so you can check on my old videos. I use Asian shallots, garlic, slice them roughly, and then my chili. If you don't like spicy, it's okay not to use chili. My fish sauce, brown sugar, coriander leaves, and onion leaves. I separated my coriander leaves with the stem. And then my noodles. You can use any kind of noodles. Dry noodles or egg noodles, fresh noodles, any kind of noodles. So now let's start. Oil on my pan. Only a little bit of oil. And then my garlic and onions. Fry until the aroma come out. Saute my chicken fillet until it changes color. Now I'm going to put my red curry paste. You know this red curry paste, you can use this to cook tom yum. So this is the tom yum paste. Going to mix my fish sauce, brown sugar, carrots, and the beans. Now my vegetables are cooked. I'm going to transfer this cooked vegetable into another container or into another bowl so I can put my noodles inside. Ito na siya. Put your noodles inside. It's not enough water. You can add a little bit water, about half cup or 1 cup of water until the noodles cook properly. Put already my remaining vegetables. Look at the color, guys. I don't use any sauce aside from the fish sauce. So the color came from the red curry paste. Add the stem of coriander. And I'm going to squeeze about 1 teaspoon of lime or lemon juice. My noodles is ready. Garnish with coriander leaves and chopped onion leaves. I like coriander leaves, so I put a lot. Ito na siya, guys. My Chiang Mai noodles. Taste test time. You can eat this together with sambal mango. Sambal manga. In here they call it. And vegetable lumpia. Very tasty, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.